So we're going to let x equal the digit in the tens place. We're going to let y equal the digit in the ones place. It says that the sum of these digits of a certain two-digit number is 17. So that means that x plus y equals 17. So that's my first equation. Then it says reversing the digits decreases the number by 9. So 10 x's plus 1y minus 9 equals reversing the digits 10y plus x. Because whatever x is, it's in the tens place, so there are 10 of them, right? So if x is 5 times 10, it's 50. Okay, so that's how you're going to set up number 1. Number 2, these people are improving their yard. Number 2, Nicole and Mark are improving their yard. They're buying sod and ivy. So let x equal square feet of sod. Let y equal pots of ivy. So it says that Nicole spent $54 on 6 square feet of sod and 2 ivy, so 6x plus 2y equals 54. Mark spent $99 on 12 square feet, 12x, plus 1 pot of ivy, 1y equals 99. That's how you would set that one up. Let's read this one. The sum of the digits of a certain two-digit number is 11. Same as the last one, we're going to let x equal the tens digit. And we're going to let y equal the ones place. So the sum of the certain two-digit number is 11. X plus y equals 11. When I reverse the digits, I increase the number by 63. 10x plus y plus 63 is the same thing as 10y plus x. That's how you're going to set up that one. Let's read this one. Same thing as Mark and whatever, they're buying stuff to improve their yard. So let x equal the number of rows, bushes. Actually, it's cost of rose bushes. We're going to let y equal the cost of a shrub. So 9x plus 3y equals 45. And 3x plus 10y equals 69. Okay. This is a distance equals rate multiplied by time. So we have the boat traveled 42 miles downstream and back. The trip downstream took 2 hours. The trip back took 6 hours. What is the speed of the boat? So we're going to do boat with, and then boat against. Okay. The trip downstream took 2 hours. The trip back took 6 hours. The boat traveled 42 miles downstream and back. So the rate of the boat is B plus W, the speed of the boat plus the speed of the water, B minus W. So the distance, 2 times the quantity B plus W, 2 times the quantity B minus W. And this boat traveled upstream and downstream. So 2 times the quantity B plus W plus 2 times the quantity B minus W has to equal 45. Distribute 2B plus 2W plus 2B minus 2W equals 45. 4B equals 45. That means that the speed of the boat equals like 10.25, maybe 11.25. Sorry guys, I'm tired. 11.25 miles per hour. So then you can figure out how fast the current is, okay? All right, I'm going to let you set this one up. This one's basic. Same as this one. And I'll do this one with you. These two high schools are planning trips to the state fair. High School A rented and filled 10 vans and 1 bus with 209 students. High School B rented and filled 4 vans and 11 buses with 497. Every van had the same number of students in it, as did the number of buses. So if you let X equal number of students in the van, let Y equal number of students in the bus. School A, they filled 10 vans, 10X, and 1 bus, 1Y, with 209 students. And School B filled 4 vans, 4X, plus 11Y, 11 buses, with 497 students. That's how you're going to set up that system. Aaliyah's school is selling tickets to a play. On the first day of ticket sales, the school sold 7 adult and 10 child tickets. Those are your variables. The school took in $124.20 on the second day, with 14 adult and 5. Find the price of adult and price of a child. X is the price of an adult ticket. Y is the price of a child ticket. So on the first day we sold 7 adult, 7X, and 10 child, 10Y, for a total of $95.10. On the second day we sold 14 adult, 14X, plus 5 child, 5Y, for a total of $124.20. That's how you're going to set that one up. All right, let's do some more distance problems. Okay, so this is going to and from, so the distances are the same. The trip was with the wind. It took 9.4 hours. The trip back was into the wind, and it took 14.1 hours. So time right here, 9.4. This is with the wind. This is against. So A plus W, A minus W. And this was 14.1 hours. Find the speed. Well, let's see. I know that the distance equals 9.4 times the rate. A plus W, 14.1 times the quantity A minus W. Now remember, the trip was there and back. So 9.4 times A plus W plus 14.1 times A minus W must equal 111 1.08. That's your setup for that one. Number 11, a boat traveled 292.32 miles downstream and back. So this is going to be downstream, which is with the current, upstream against the current. The trip downstream took, so that's my rate spot. Downstream took 8.4 hours. Upstream took 16.8 hours. Speed of the boat plus the water. Speed of the boat minus the speed of the water. 8.4 times B plus W. 16.8 times B minus W. So 8.4 times the quantity B plus W plus 16.8 times B minus W has to equal the total distance, 292.32. This is going to be the same as the last one, same setup. Same setup, all of these are there and back, okay? So this is how you're going to set up all of these problems. I haven't solved any of them for you, but this is a hint to get you started on your homework. Good luck.